Now let's proceed on the testimonial section. Let's start with the heading. So copy the heading right here and paste it over. And for this right here, we will be using the same JavaScript, which is the carousel. But for this time, this will function as if we're going to click this, the content will change, as well as on the previous and next buttons. So this right here, the images or the logos, will be the carousel indicators, and the previous next is the carousel control. So copy this one and paste it over. Make sure to comment it out. And testimonials. Now, since we're using two carousel now, we're going to change the name or the ID to match this carousel. The name is Carousel Testimonials. And for the data target as well, we're doing this so that it will not conflict to the first carousel we've done, and do the same on the previous and next. Now we have a list of images right here, which is 5. So copy this twice and change it to 3 and 4. And inside of this will be an image. So create an image tag. And the source for this one will be image logo logos / redbull.png. The other one is cola 1wd, and repeat it, Red Bull and cola. Let's refresh the page. As you can see now, the same as on the creative process part, that the text is stacking, as well as here the images are stacking. Now change this to testimonials. And for the content, the same we did on the creative process. We're going to create a row. So div with a class of row. And text center. inside a paragraph. And this paragraph will be wrapped in a block quote. And I wanted that these logos right here will be only displayed on the largest resolution. So I'm going to add a class on it that will be visible only on large desktops. We can easily achieve that using the helper class provided by Bootstrap. If you go to the CSS and responsive utilities, it, it is listed right here that we can make it visible on a certain device, and we can also hide it on a certain device. So since that these logos is visible only on the largest desktop, I'm going to use visible large. So for extra small, small, and medium, it's all hidden. So on carousel indicators, so if I'm going to refresh this, now the carousel indicator is gone. And also, with this design, since it's on desktop mode, we will identify this by seeing the logo, which is Coca-Cola right now on active state. But here that we hide the logo, we need some identifier. What testimonial is this, or who said this testimonial? So we're going to add a site. For example, this is the first, so Red Bull. And this site will have a class of hidden large. Since this is hidden if it's on the larger version. So since I'm in a small resolution desktop, this will now be shown right here, Red Bull. So we can identify who's the one saying this. Now let's duplicate this. Comment this out. Rename it. And for the carousel control, let's remove the span and just place priv and next. And obviously remove the active state. And now, as you can see, it's working. Next is we're going to proceed and do the call to action section.